Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use and maximize your experience with Gemini AI. Connect your Google Workspace. So right now, I'm currently inside this website called Gemini AI, or formerly known as Bard. So if you're looking for Bard, it has been changed or updated to Gemini. So here's the link, gemini.google.com. That is the only link you need. Of course, you might ask which is better, Google Gemini or ChatGPT. So if you're a Chrome or Google Chrome user, I intend to lean a little bit more on Gemini, and I'll show you how. So with this video, click on this settings icon or gear icon right there, because before you get started here, there is a very important tool that you need to enable. So make sure you click on extensions, like so, and then scroll a little bit down. You'll have this Google Workspace. Make sure this is enabled, because by default, this is disabled, okay? So you can see right here, you can utilize Gmail, Drive, and Docs, and so on and so forth. You can locate information, sum up a document, or break it down for me. So let's start with this one. So I'm gonna go back to New Chat, like so. And then with this one, you can simply use the Add option, like that, and you'll show up the extensions. So for this one, I'm gonna utilize Gmail first. So take note, the Gmail it's gonna use here is the Gmail that is currently logged in on your Google Chrome. Please take note about that one. So once you're here, simply type in with this one, check my recent emails. Let me just move this cursor, sorry about that. So check my recent, or rather let me just check this one. Check my unread emails for the past 2 days and let me know which is important. Like so, it's just like I'm talking to an assistant. So make sure you have the specifics that you need and simply click on enter. So as you can see right now, it may take time, maybe 2 minutes. It's currently assessing our emails, especially if you have a lot of unread emails. So welcome back to the video. You'll see on this option right here, it gave us an answer. So here are some important emails you have received in the past 2 days. One is LinkedIn, second is Twitter. Now for this one, you'll have a summarize option already regarding LinkedIn, of course. For Twitter, you have a summarize notification also. Now if you check on the lower side, you'll have the actual email inside it. You can choose to show more items if you like, or you can change the Google Workspace. You can try again without extension, but I suggest do not remove the extension. You can show the drafts, like here. For example, you can choose or differentiate the answer. Now that being said, let's try another one. For example, I'm gonna go with Drive here. So, have you ever experienced having a hard time looking for a specific document or file with thousands or hundreds of files inside Google Drive? So with this one, let's try looking for a file that is about a resume or CV. Let's try its power right here because I want to see the limit also. So let's see if it will work, because I just gave Gemini a very generic and general sentence right there, or statement. So that will be a resume or CV, period, and click on enter. So I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. So again, I just used a very generic sentence earlier regarding looking for a file that is about a resume or CV. And this is what it gave me. It found several results with a title, file name, CV, or a portfolio, or a resume. So here are the results, and you can show more items if you want. If you click on the 3 icons right there, you can copy this one, but I don't see the use of it. So with that being said, you can just simply click on this. For example, let me click on it, and it will open up my CV, like there. Now, go back to Gemini, and that is how powerful it is. You don't have to scour or check everything inside your Google Drive, even if you forgot about the file name, especially that reason. For example, you don't know the file name anymore, you're gonna have a hard time looking for it. With this one, I did not even use a file name. I just asked Gemini to look for a file that has, or is about resume or CV, right? Let's try one more here. Now for the sake of this discussion for this one, I wanna use Google Docs. Now I'm not sure if I have a file in Google Docs because I never use it, but for this discussion I'm gonna ask it, is there any files inside my Google Docs. Simply click on enter with that one, and I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Here's our result. Just want to make sure you know the question I asked. I simply asked, is there any files inside my Google Docs? I did not even use a question mark, because I'm really testing the limit of Gemini. So here are the results. It gave me these files right here. I have MOA right there. I have sample1, PC parts. Here they are. And if I clicked on them, I can simply, of course, go inside the document itself, or rather redirect it there. So with that being said, that is how powerful Gemini is, especially this Google Workspace extension. Just want to make sure this is enabled. Again, before I end this video, I want to show you how to enable it. Go to settings, click extensions, and make sure that this option right here is enabled. And that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.